So this is the brand new Bose player, which we're having problems with as well. Currently, it says that the CD is not playable. Although if I take this brand new CD to my car stereo, it'll play just fine. I'm going to go ahead and eject it. Again, this is a brand new factory press CD, bought on Amazon. Plays perfectly well in every other CD player, but does not play in the Bose. Slide it into the Bose machine. It says reading the disc, and then it says not playable. Now, I'll go ahead and eject this one. Here's another brand new CD, factory press. I'm going to put it in here. Brand new CD. Plays perfectly well on all of their CD players. But on Bose, it says not playable. Okay? Really unhappy with Bose. Now, here's another factory press CD that will play. Nope, it says it's not playable either.
But it played a little while ago.
Although it did play a little while ago. So not sure why all the discs that we put in there come back not playable. This is a Maxell compact disc laser disc cleaner that we run in here all the time. But it doesn't really do that much good. I'm going to put it in there right now and see what happens. Ha! It says this is not playable. Okay. This is not right. This is a brand new, supposedly brand new, most likely refurbished, but sold as new. And so we need Bose to help us out. I'm going to eject the CD player, or the CD cleaner, from the player and give you guys a call. Thanks.